Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am EJ Beauty, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I just want to do a part 2 for my NYX Butter Gloss lip combo video. So I have these 5 butter gloss lip glosses that I want to try on. As you can see right here, these are the 5 ones I'm going to be trying on for this video. My first lip gloss combo video for NYX Butter Gloss was so successful. I showed Ginger Snap and all of these popular lip glosses. So I'm back with a part 2. I found these on Amazon. They should be on Amazon, available in most places, but otherwise I'm pretty sure you can find them in your local beauty supply store as well. Okay, so for this video I'm only going to use one lip liner. For my past video I used like 2 or 3 different lip liners, which I think is really confusing because you don't get to see how the lip gloss actually truly looks. So I have my 5 butter glosses here, and I have this NYX liner, but this is actually a crayon, or like an eyeliner, actually like an eyeliner crayon. I find the eyeliner crayons to be more pigmented, and I find them to be like thicker, and I don't need to apply as thick of a layer. So sometimes I do use eyeliners on my lips. Okay, so the one I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's called NYX retractable eyeliner in the color brown, and it looks just like this. I will try and see if I can find the link to this, where I got this from. I think I also got this from Amazon, so I will put it down in the description box below. So of course the first thing I do is usually just to line my lips. I just follow my lip line. I try not to really overline my lips that much, because I don't find that to look too cute. So I just go around my lip line like this. Okay, so like I said, with this is so concentrated, you don't need a lot of this. It's a very, very pigmented liner, so you don't need to apply that much. All right, so this is how the lip liner looks. This is the lip liner by itself, guys. Do you see how pigmented this is? I don't need to do a lot. I'm going to start with Caramel. This is Caramel. I'm just going to apply a thick layer in the center of my lips right here. Apply a generous amount, because we want the color to show as much as possible. Okay, y'all, so this was Caramel. This is how Caramel looks. I would say I really like this color. I think it's giving a little bit of a lighter brown shade, or maybe it's just because the lip liner that I use is really dark, but I think this is really cute. This is a closer up look. going back with the lip liner. The next shade I'm going to try on is Cinnamon Roll. This is how Cinnamon Roll looks. Oh! Ah! This might be my favorite. Guys, I'm actually so in love with this. Like, I think this might be my favorite. But let me not speak too fast. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. So the next one I'm going to try on is extremely dark. I was actually so scared when I bought this from Amazon just because I don't normally wear glosses that are as dark as the liner that I'm wearing, but this is a really dark shade. So this one is called Lava Cake, and this is how it looks. This looks like it's going to be a rich chocolate color. So usually the goal for me when I wear these nude lip glosses is to make sure that the pink underlip color disappears. So I apply enough. This lip gloss is not very pigmented, so you have to continuously apply until you no longer see that pink shade. This was Lava Cake. This is how Lava Cake looks, guys. I think I am in love with this one just because this really brings out nude for me, especially if you're dark skinned. If you're dark like me, Lava Cake would be a true nude. Sometimes I find it really difficult finding an actual nude for me because a lot of times the nude is either too, like, a few shades too light. But this is actually very close to the nude that I'm normally looking for. So I would say they did a good job with this one. I really like this one, guys. So let's look into it. So I don't think the Lava Cake was actually that pigmented, and that's why I had to use so many layers. I don't really like that. I want to be able to just use one layer and then that's enough for me for the entire night. So, but I'm gonna reapply my liner right here. This is Fudge Me. I like the name. Fudge Me, y'all. Fudge Me. Okay, so. This actually might be my new favorite. Wow, this might be my new favorite. was Fudge Me, and this is how it looks. Alright, so this is the last lip gloss I'm going to show you guys. I just wiped everything off. I'm going to go back in with my lip liner for the last time. The last one I have is right here. This is Brownie Drip. Ooh! Okay, this is Brownie Drip, y'all. I'm so excited for this one. Wow. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, y'all? All right, y'all, so this was Brownie Drip. This is how it looks, and this is also the last one that I wanted to show you guys. Alright, so that brings me to the end of my video. Or if you want to see more lip combo looks and how I style my lip combo looks, make sure to head over to my Instagram. My Instagram is _beauty_. I'm going to put it right here. And also, all the links to these lip glosses will be in the description box below. I got them from Amazon, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to watch my other NYX Butter Gloss lip combo videos if you haven't watched that one already. Bye!